In this video, we are going to see how we can set up a page for printing. So let's start. Go to File, go to Print, click. Now the print setup window will appear here. Here you can see that how many copies you want to print. You can mention your copies, whether it is 2, 3 or 1. Okay. Which printer you want to use, that you can mention here. Okay. It will show which printer are ready. Now, how many pages you want to print or which type of pages you want to print, that setting you can do here. Okay, like print all pages, so this will print all your pages. Print current page only, so whatever reflecting in this uh, uh, review panel, okay, so that page only will get printed. This is selected page, so that will only get printed. Now, custom print. For example, I want to print pages from 4 to 6, or let's say 4 to 8. So I will mention 4. I will mention 4 to 8. Okay. So only page number 4 to 8 will get printed. Okay. Now print side. Whether you want to print one side or both side of page. Okay. So you if you give instruction print one side, then that will print on one side only. If you give instruction to print on both side, that will give that will print both sides. Okay, so look here, it is mentioned manually print on both side, because my printer is manual. If your printer is automatic one, then it will automatically print on both the sides. Okay, now the orientation, whether you want portrait or landscape, that's up to you. If you choose the landscape, that will the print will be like this. Okay, if you use portrait, the print will be like this. Size of the page. So by default, A4 is the print layout size. Okay, but if you want to change the size, you can change. Margin. This we have already seen. We can increase or decrease the margin. For now, the margin is normal. We can like narrow it. Look, it is being narrowed. We can make it wide. The margin is being wide, and the text is contained within that wide margin only. Let's keep it as normal margin. Now, how many pages per sheet? In one A4 size sheet, how many pages you want to print? So, one page or two page or three, 4 pages, okay, or 6 pages. That's up to you. Okay. So, if I take 4 pages, then what will happen in this A4 size page? Pages will get printed. Okay. So one will be here, second will be here, third will be here, and fourth page will be here. Okay. So this is all about print setup. Thank you.